talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on content and media here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on following feed preferences, just click on it. You come to this list here, come here to show samples here of your saved feeds in your following feeds. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's the main it's going to enable with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.